Daisy here from proud Bisaya Bai, and today guys I'm going to show you one of the best resorts here in Moalboal. Actually guys, gahapon na jud mi naabot dire, but wala lang jud ko kanang tour gyud ninyo gahapon since sige siya uwan, timing kayo. And hopefully karon kay dili na siya mag-uwan. Pakita na ko ninyo ang ilang mga amenities, kung unsay lang mga amenities dire. Hopefully ma-share na ko ninyo ang akong experience dire sa PESCADORES SEAVIEW Suites. So, muna siya guys. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright mga bay, so nanata sa entrance dire sa PESCADORES SEAVIEW Suite. So of course guys, in line with their commitment sa protocol sa DOH, kay all know na napasyuta sa pandemic. So they follow safety protocol yun dire sa PESCADORES SEAVIEW Suite. So of course, before ta musod, mag-sanitize na ta sa tuhong feet, ana. And then of course, they will check my temperature and alcohol, sanitize nila tong hands. So pila kuya? 35.2. So after that guys, mag-scan ta sa ilahang QR code. So this is how it works guys. Muato na ka sa camera, and then imong i-scan. After ana guys, kay na siya mo gawas na inani-gani. So you need to fill up this form for health declaration. So mga mayroon siya sa imong first name, last name, temperature, mobile number, for contact tracing if ever, you know, na kay something. So muna siya guys. So thank you kuya. So karon guys, kay tour muna ko sa ilahang amenities dire sa PESCADORES SEAVIEW. So muna na ilahang reception. Yesterday pa kami nag-check-in, so ipakita na lang to nako ninyo.
Yesterday.
So we'll be staying here in VIP 1 here in PESCADORES SEAVIEW Suites. So come inside guys. So as you enter the room, you can see here the mini kitchenette nila. And here we have an oven, microwave oven, and na sila din mga gamit. Makainit ka o tubig, na sila yung mga na siya isaksakan diri. Look at that guys. And here, nasa sila mini refrigerator. You can store your food if ever na magdamog food. And here is the mini living room. So na siya sofa diri. So you can talk with your friends and chill lang. And here guys, we have one aircon sa ilahang living room. Yes, and unya na ta mo gawas. And then here, si tawag ani?
Hammock.
Oh, this is very nice for photos. Like, mag-aura-aura ka diri, ana siya. Diba? Nice kayo siya. And then here, let's go inside. Hindi pa dyan siya ang main na bedroom, guys. So, na siya yung isa diri ka bed. And then here, the mini closet. So, we can put your bags there, kaya para dili samok. And then here, suta sa ilahang restroom and bathroom nila. So look at that. It's very clean. So na sila sabon, shampoo, pero abot lang, toothbrush. Cool. And then this is the vanity mirror. Dako kayo siya guys. And wow, na siya blower. And then here, may ng shower room. So, overhead siya guys, na siya hot and cold. Which is very nice kay, you know, ganahan ka na hot and cold. So, ito siya. And it's very huge ha. And the tissue diri, ibabutangan diri mo og mga something. Alright guys, so now let's get into the master's bedroom. So, oh my god, let's go. Dako kayo siya guys. We have 2 queen-size bed. And I really like it guys kay aside from this very big na pillow, napagid siya duha pa gyud. Very spacious siya. So, kay go na dre ang duha. Actually, this VIP suite guys is good for 2. So, mali siya for 2 or for 4, but pwede siya up to 5 ka person ang makastay inside, makakamodate inside. So here guys, master's bedroom, Kaya we have another aircon. So money siya. And we have a safety box here. Sentry safe. So if you want to leave your things dira, yung mga valuable things, yung mga lahas dira, yung mga kwarta, kayamanan. So pwede na yung i-leave dira. And yeah, nasa na siya diri outlet guys, duha. Here, we have a very large na TV. And dire, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. So, diba? Maka-choose ka dire, maka-Netflix ka, inana. So, ano siya guys? So, that's pretty much it for the master's bedroom. And now, let's move on to the balcony. So, here, tada! Ano siya guys? And, ganun ka mag-coffee dire. And mo simhot lang ka sa fresh air. Wow! Alright, so that's pretty much it guys for our room tour, for our VIP suite. So you have to check this out guys, because it's very huge if you want to spend time with your family, with your friends. And grabe, nice kayo siya ang room. It's very huge.
End of flashback.
So if you want to bring your car guys, dili ra jud mo mabalaka. Kaya na jud sila dako kayo na parking area dire. So yeah, mo ni siya guys. Ajud sila 8 AM dire na duol ra jud kayo. So convenient kayo siya. And then here, so this is the restaurant guys. There's less like table there. So if you're with your barkada or with your friends, so okay ra kayo kay nasa like enough na chairs for you. So guys, dira lang mga menu guys sa ilahang restaurant. Actually ilahang food dire kay average kay mga nasa 100 to 300 pesos per dish. So yeah, ano siya? Kasi like pizza, mga pork chop series, chicken, and pasta, and mga grilled, and mga silog. So later guys, kay ipakita na ko ninyo ang among breakfast. Kay bawa ko basin panggutomon mo, so later yung na magkaon-kaon. So ato sa uban. Diri kay na silahang playground for your kids and kids at heart. So like that. Oh.
Kids at heart.
Kids at heart. So dili na siya pang kids. So dire nainani. So if ever nagdamo sa inyong mga kids, so malingaw jud sila dire sa PESCADORES SEAVIEW.
Meron ba?
Meron. Hindi mo nakita yun. Hindi ka picturesque. But guys, nalipong na ko dara eh. Mato na tayo. Ah! Oh my god.
Baby.
Ay!
Ikaw si Baby?
Oh, ano?
Nag-watch mo sa iyong vlog.
Oh, really? Oh my god.
Wow!
Asa na vlog na ko?
Asa
Itong sardine nga ni mo kay wala nang anime.
Oh, god.
Sana all.
Sana all. Thank you. Saan yung name?
Cute.
Oh, Jaza. Parang siya tayo.
So, Kit Ojessa. So, shout out din sa si Kit Ojessa, no? Actually, kani siya na vlog is for Proud Bisaya Bai. So, makita mo sa Proud Bisaya Bai na page.
Okay.
Follow sa Duana. Follow sa Duana.
Sir, ako mag-take it.
A few moments later.
Lamit ko sa heart.
So, mga bay, muna siya kung giingon ninyo ganina ng mga breakfast nila. So, they have mga continental breakfast. They have corned beef. And if you want rice, pwede na sa mo maka-choose mo between rice or bread, toasted bread. And they have coffee, juice, and sa pa ni siya, egg, bacon. Ilang continental kay katong kanina yung bacon. And they also have tuna. Mga onami, nadari si Harley, si James.
A few moments later.
Alright mga bay, since man naman tawag breakfast, so karon kayo magpadayon na ta sa ato ang tour there sa PESCADORES SEAVIEW Suites. So we're here guys sa ilahang sea view. Ligo ka silang swimming pool, they have infinity pool, and of course, dire guys kay nadiri ang ilahang shop where you can borrow snorkeling gears, mga life vest, mga scuba gears. So muna siya guys, free ra siya as long as naka-reserve, naka-nag-book dire sa PESCADORES SEAVIEW Suites. And kung siya, allowed siya ni mong gamiton from 8 AM to 5 PM. So you just need to kanang show your reservation dire na naka-check-in good ka dire sa PESCADORES SEAVIEW Suites. So, tara guys, sila. Nag-borrow sila. Well, ako kay borrow sa taon niya. So, money siya guys. Na sila mga gagmay for kids and mga dagko sad. So diri guys, makita ninyo ang ilang mga life vests. Na sila mga for kids, for adults, and they also have fins na makagamit mo for free ra jud ni siya guys. As long as nag-book mo diri sa Pescadores. And na sila yung mga mask, mga snorkel, aqua shoes in different sizes. Diba amazing? Nanapagod siya sila scuba suit. Wets. And kuan kani. Pagta kani. Kanang boy. So mana siya guys.
Sakto na, ma'am.
Okay, so here guys, nasa sila yung mga available na chairs and tables. If you want to have breakfast na imong view kayo na makita kay ang dagat, fresh air. So yes, pwede rin dito kayo. Here, muna yung have swimming pool. Infinity pool. So yan. Cute kayo na. Na lang ta maligo kay kuan pa. Then dire, if you want to have your breakfast here, pwede na jud kayo mo din. Ana. And actually guys, they also have free use sa ilahang transparent na kayak, but unfortunately for now kay we cannot use it because dako kayo ang bawd. So well, tanaw lang nato niya kung ipagamiton pa ta. Mag-enjoy mo dire sa ilahang dagat. Kung ganahan mo magdagat, pwede mo magdagat. Pero ganahan mo mag-swimming pool, pwede mo mag-swimming pool. So everything good kay na jud dire sa Pescadores Seaview Suites. And not only that guys, wala pa ta nahuman. So dungog ko na nasad sila dire game room. So tara, adto na to guys. So by the way guys, mo sad niyang ilahang mga rooms dire. Na sila yung mga rooms. Adto na ta sa ilahang game room. So this is open every 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh, nasa like billiard diri guys. Pool. Okay, billiard. Kung ganahan mo magawa. And diri kay nasa sila. Sa taga ni arcade.
Oh.
Oh, arcade. And then, kung ganahan mo mag-TV, pwede sad mo mag-TV diri, mag-chill lang. Diri. Alright mga bay, so I'm back here in our room, here in Pescadores Seaview Suites guys. So I think maura to siya guys, akong mapakita ninyo for now. And if you want to see more of Pescadores Seaview Suites guys, I will put the link in the description box of our Facebook page. That's Proud Bisaya Bai. You can check there their information, ang ilahang mga room rates, yes, ilang rates na VIP suites, and ilang uban din rin ng mga amenities. Basta tanang details guys, ako ibutan dito sa Facebook page na mo. Just search Proud Bisaya Bai on Facebook page, and of course please follow and like if you haven't done yet. So I think I will end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. That's Proud Bisaya Bai. And of course, I would like to thank Pescadores Seaview Suites for having us here. So we really enjoyed our stay here. Amazing jud kay mo experience there. Although wala lang mi nakaligo kay murag naglikay lang sa mga tao na nakaligo sa swimming pool. But overall, good, like amazing. Nice kay lang mga amenities dire. Their VIP suites guys is very good. And well, nakakita man siguro mo sa akong room tour. So i-check na ninyo guys ang Pescadores Seaview Suites. Ang ilang location guys na sila sa Basdiot, Moalboal Cebu. So moro to siya. I will end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!